Are you tired of your infrastructure looking like this? Don't worry, I have the fix for this mess. We can replace all of this complexity with way much simpler setup using only two Sangfor servers. And if you are wondering how can two servers be enough, I've already explained that in another video. I'll leave the link down in the description so you can go and check it out.
A few moments later.
Now that everything is set up, in the next video, I'll show you how to configure Sangfor Cloud Platform and Sangfor Hyper-Converged infrastructure. See you in the next video.